Welcome to an in-depth look at the physiology of a 7-day water fast. What really happens inside your body during this intense period? The practice of water fasting has gained attention for its potential health benefits, but it involves significant physiological shifts. Let's explore the science behind it. A 7-day water fast means consuming 0 calories, only water, for 7 consecutive days. This forces the body to rely entirely on internal energy stores. It's crucial to state that a fast of this length should not be undertaken without medical supervision. This video is for informational purposes only, emphasizing the physiological aspects. On day 1, your body is still using its primary, easily accessible fuel, glucose. This is the energy source derived from recently consumed carbohydrates. The body quickly begins using up its stored glycogen, the backup glucose found mainly in the liver and muscles. These stores typically last for about 24 hours. As glycogen runs low, the body transitions from burning carbohydrates to finding alternative fuel sources to keep vital functions running. By days 2 and 3, your body enters a state known as early ketosis. This marks a major metabolic switch. The body switches to utilizing fat stores for energy. The liver begins breaking down fats into fatty acids, which are then converted into ketone bodies. This increase in ketone bodies circulating in the bloodstream is what defines the state of ketosis, providing fuel, especially for the brain. From day 4 through 7, the body is in deep ketosis, and a powerful cellular process called autophagy begins to ramp up. Fat continues to be the primary energy source, leading to sustained weight loss as the body efficiently taps into reserves. Autophagy, meaning self-eating, is a process where cells clean out damaged components and regenerate newer, healthier ones, a form of cellular repair and recycling. Hormones like insulin drop dramatically because there is no incoming glucose to process. This has far-reaching effects on metabolism and fat storage regulation. Ending a 7-day fast is just as important as the fast itself. Refeeding must be handled with extreme care to avoid serious complications. Food must be reintroduced slowly, starting with small amounts of easily digestible items like broths and fermented foods to ease the digestive system back to work. Improper refeeding can lead to refeeding syndrome, a dangerous condition caused by sudden electrolyte shifts. Professional guidance is non-negotiable here. In summary, a 7-day water fast is a profound metabolic journey that transitions the body from burning glucose to utilizing fat and engaging cellular repair. Remember the key physiological stages: running out of glucose, switching to ketosis, and activating deep cellular processes like autophagy. Always consult a healthcare professional before attempting a prolonged fast. Safety and careful reintroduction are paramount for a healthy experience.